Hello, welcome to Help Your Math. In this video, we're going to go over this problem here for the equation negative 6x plus 9y equal to 18. We're going to find the x and y intercepts. We're going to graph the line, and we're going to find a parallel line that passes through the point 6, 3, and a perpendicular line that also passes through 6, 3. All right, so let's start with our x-intercepts and our x and y intercepts. So we know that for the x-intercept, our y will equal to 0, and for our y-intercept, our x is going to equal to 0. So we're looking for 2 points, one where 0, x is equal to 0, comma, and then we have a number, and another where we have a number, comma, and our y is going to equal to 0. So the easiest way to do that would be to plug in 0 for each value and see what we get. So let's bring down our equation here. Negative 6x plus 9y is equal to 18. And for our y-intercept, we need x to equal to 0, so let's plug 0 for x. Negative 6 plus 9y equal to 18. Negative 6 times 0 is going to give us 0. And 0 plus anything is just going to be that number. So 0 plus 9y is 9y, so I'm just going to bring down 9y equal to 18. And now we just divide both sides by 9 to isolate our y. Divide by 9, divide by 9. And 9 divided by 9 cancels out. 9 over 9 is going to give you 1. 1 times y is just y. So y equals to 18 over 9, but 18 divided by 9 is 2. So y equals to 2. So for our y-intercept, we have the point 0, 2. And now for our x-intercept, we do the same exact thing, except we're plugging 0 in our y value. So I'll do it here. Negative 6x plus 9 times 0 is equal to 18. So 0 times 9, again, going to give us 0. And 0 plus negative 6x is negative 6x. So negative 6x is equal to 18. And we're left with an x, and we just need to solve. So divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. Negative 6 divided by negative 6 is equal to 1. So 1 times x is x. And 18 divided by negative 6 is going to give us negative 3. So our x-intercept is negative 3, 0. So we have 2 points. Let's graph our line. We start off by plotting the 2 points here. We have 0, 2, 0, and we go up 2. And then negative 3, 0. So we go on our x-axis to negative 3, 1, 2, 3. And we stay there, so there's no movement in the y-axis. 0. So this is 0, 2, and this is negative 3, 0. And we have all we need to graph our line. It's just going to be the path closest. So, and down that way. So that would be our line for negative 6x plus 9y equal to 18. The next is a parallel line that passes through 6, 3. And we need slope to find out, because what makes a parallel line is 2 lines with the same exact slope. So we don't have slope here, and there's 2 ways we can get it. We can convert this equation and put it in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, or we could use the slope formula, which we have 2 points, so I think I'm going to go with that one, which is m equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to declare this y2 and x2, x1 and y1. And let's plug in. So for y2 we have 0 minus y1 is 2 over our x2 is negative 3 minus, and our x1 is 0. This is m equals So 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And negative 3 minus 0 is just going to give us negative 3. Notice we have a negative on both sides of the, in the numerator and in the denominator, or in the numerator and in the denominator. So they're just going to cancel each other out and give us a positive. So our slope is 2 over 3. So with that given, we have everything we need. So, all right, so going back to C, we're gonna find the parallel line for this equation that passes through 6, 3. So there's two possible ways of doing it. One is the slope-intercept form, and the other is point-slope form. And I'm going to go with slope-intercept form here, but if you're interested in point-slope, leave a comment and maybe we can make another video. So y equals mx plus b is our slope-intercept form, and we have m, which is 2 over 3. We have a point x, a point with x and y, so we have our x value and we have our y value. So let's plug in, for y we have 3. It's equal to m 2 over 3. X is equal to 6 plus b. And so now we can multiply here, but we have a common factor here of 3. So this is 1, and this is 2. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So here, I'll rewrite it here first. 2 over 1 equal, or not equal, plus b. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 is equal to 4 plus b. Subtract 4 on both sides. 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So b is equal to negative 1. So our equation in slope-intercept form would be y equal to 2 over 3 x minus 1. And to solve for a perpendicular line that that passes through the same point, we need to get the negative reciprocal of our current slope. So we'd flip it and we'd turn and you change the sign. So if it equals to 2/3, m is equal to negative, because it's positive, 3 over 2. And we just follow the same exact thing. We plug into our formula. We have y, which is 3. It equals to negative 3 over 2 times 6 plus b. And we see again here we can actually cancel out the 2 here. 2 times 3. And so 3 is equal to negative 3 times 3 plus b. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 plus b. 3 is equal to negative 9 plus b. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. 9 minus 9 plus 9 is going to give us 0. 3 plus 9 is going to give us 12. So b is equal to 12 if we bring it down. And so the equation for our perpendicular line would be y is equal to negative 3 over 2 x plus 12.